Sometimes a design arrives when you're already planning something completely different. I was actually getting ready to cast on my next holiday project, but then this little summer cabin kept popping into my mind. I could not stop thinking about cozy cabins and mountain views and warm summer evenings somewhere up north. So I decided to put Christmas on hold for just a little while and cast on something completely different. Every duplicate stitch project begins with a simple knitted canvas. For this pillow, I wanted to save myself a little stitching later, so instead of knitting the entire pillow in one color, I used several colors for the base. The knitting is finished, the real magic begins. I always start my duplicate stitch in exactly the same place at the bottom middle of the chart. And starting at the bottom lets me build the stitches upward, almost like stacking tiny bricks on top of one another. And starting in the center helps me make sure that the entire design stays perfectly centered on the pillow. This part never gets old. One stitch at a time, the little cabin begins to appear. Then the trees, the mountains, the tiny details that make the whole scene feel alive. And it's amazing how individual stitches slowly become an entire landscape. If you have followed my designs for a while, you probably already noticed, but stitching the roof is always my favorite part in any cabin design. There's just something about watching those little roof lines come together that makes the whole house suddenly feel cozy and complete.
There's a glow to these missteps in morning light. There's a question at the door, and I think I'm right. Gone with the seasons, falling in line, reaching for reasons.
I also have to say, I think these mountains might be my favorite ones I have designed so far. They add so much depth to the scene and they create exactly the peaceful feeling I had imagined when this idea first popped into my head.
Days gone by.
Once every duplicate stitch was finished, all that was left was turning it into an actual pillow. I inserted the pillow form and closed the opening using mattress stitch, which creates a nearly invisible seam. It's pretty cool. Now that the summer cabin is finished, I can't help but wonder if it needs a winter companion. I'm imagining like snowy trees and a warm glow in the windows, maybe even fresh snow on the roof. Honestly, could not be happier with how this one turned out. I think this may actually be my favorite pillow I have designed so far. What do you think? Would you like to see a winter cabin version next? Let me know in the comments. I always love hearing your ideas. And thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. Your support truly means the world to me. And I'll see you in the next project. Bye bye.